Summary. This element has dealt with some of the basic principles of workplace health and safety. In particular, this element has introduced some of the key words that will be used in this course, such as health, safety, and welfare. Highlighted the three main reasons why an organization has to manage health and safety, moral, legal, and financial. Identified some of insured and uninsured costs associated with accidents and ill health. Set out the basic requirements of the international standards that govern health and safety, i.e. the ILO Convention C155 and Recommendation R164. Looked in some detail at the duties that these two standards place on employers and on workers. Discussed the consequences for employers and workers of non-compliance with legal standards, together with the possible issue of worker compensation. Noted some sources of information on national health and safety standards. Looked at the various parties within a workplace and the responsibilities that they have, the employer, for ensuring that the workplace is safe and free of health risk. Senior management, for setting policy, allocating resources and showing leadership. Middle management, for making standards happen operationally. Joint occupiers of premises, for cooperation and coordination. Explained the shared responsibilities that exist when work is carried out by contractors for a client. Outlined a basic framework for the selection, monitoring and control of contractors by clients.